Hi there, I'm Jack the Plumber. Let's talk about under-sink plumbing and a new way to get it done quicker with less points of failure. You've got your cold water line, sometimes feeding 2 or 3 appliances. Sometimes you've got water lines coming through the slab or something like this. Have a look at this. It's the new Zetco under-sink manifold, designed to replace all of these fittings in one neat and tidy unit. You have a 2-way unit or a 3-way unit. A 2-way Zetco manifold. 15 and 15mm outlet, another one with 15 and 20mm outlets, and then you've got the 3-way with 15, 15 and 20mm outlets. Now watch this, it's real quick. There you go, done. Didn't even need to get thread tape out of my toolbox. The Zetco manifold is a game changer. It eliminates tape, eliminates fittings. Less joins that might spring a leak and cause grief. This is a completely compliant, watermarked, brilliant little time saver. Why do this when you can do that?